Okay, the question that was sent in is, if I stop foam rolling, stretching, Theragun, those types of flexibility techniques, if I stop doing those, I'm going to lose my flexibility, and isn't that bad? And the answer to that is no. Losing your flexibility is fantastic, because the definition of flexibility is the absolute range of motion that you can take a joint through with or without external forces. So basically, flexibility is how much range of motion a joint can go through without strength, without stability, without control. So you're just looking for gross range of motion, and that could be with the help of somebody taking you through that range of motion. That's not a good idea, because what you want to have is motion, full range of motion, strength to control